Hello children. Do you know who was Lal Bahadur Shastri? He was the second Prime Minister of independent India. And today we celebrate his birth anniversary. So now children, let us know more about this amazing person. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai, a small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. To attend high school, he was sent to Varanasi at his uncle's house. There, once he went with his friends to see a fair which was on the other bank of the Ganges. While returning, he had no money for the boat fare. So, instead of borrowing the money, he swam to the other bank. As a boy, he was fond of reading books. After hearing a speech of Mahatma Gandhi at Varanasi in 1915, he dedicated his life to the service of the country. His name by birth was Lal Bahadur Srivastav, but he dropped his surname Srivastav because it indicated the caste and he was against caste system. He graduated with a first class degree in philosophy and ethics from Kashi Vidyapit in 1921, where he was given the title Shastri, which means scholar. The title was a bachelor's degree awarded by the institution, but it stuck as a part of his name. In 1928, Shastri became an active and mature member of the Indian National Congress. He became the Minister of Police and Transport under Govind Ballabh Pant's chief ministership. As the Transport Minister, he was the first to appoint women conductors. And as the Minister in charge of the Police Department, he ordered that police should use jets of water instead of lathis to disperse unruly crowds. After Jawaharlal Nehru died, he became the Prime Minister of India on 9th June 1964. As Prime Minister, in his first speech on 11th June 1964, he stated,
"There comes a time in the life of every nation when it stands on the crossroads of history, must choose which way to go. But for us, there will be no difficulty or hesitation, no looking to right or left. Our way is straight and clear. The building up of a socialist democracy at home with freedom and prosperity for all, and the maintenance of world peace and friendship with all nations."
He promoted the White Revolution, a national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk. When there was food shortage across the country, Lal Bahadur Shastri urged the people to skip one meal a week so that the saved meal could be distributed to the people in need. Before appealing to the people of the country, he first implemented this system in his own family. He got an overwhelming response. Even restaurants and eateries downed the shutters on Monday evenings, and many parts of the country observed the Shastri Vrat. To boost India's food production, he promoted the Green Revolution in India in 1965, which led to an increase in food grain production. His greatest moment came when he led India in the 1965 India-Pakistan War. He gave the famous slogan, "Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan," telling the importance of both the soldiers and farmers of this country. He died on 11th January 1966 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. His honesty, integrity, patience, humility, strong willpower, sacrifice, love, and devotion to his country made him one of the most lovable Prime Minister of India.
The preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong. We can win respect in the world only if we are strong internally, and we can banish poverty and unemployment from our country.
We believe in the dignity of man as an individual, whatever his race, color, or creed, and his right to better, fuller, and future life.
Our country has often stood like a solid rock in the face of common danger, and there is a deep underlying unity which runs like a golden thread through all our seeming diversity.